By literal studies in universities, they say there is 9.5 million nomadics, pastoralists, and herdsmen in the forest. So when you have some few thousands are kidnapping, you can't generalize and say all herdsmen are bad. In fact, the herdsmen are the first victim of these criminals among them. And they are ready to cooperate with the government. They just need the support. They don't want profiling. When you see a herdsman, you say it's automatically is a criminal. So with good engagement by the government, this case, I see it as easy as drinking a cup of tea.
If after watching and listening to Ahmed Gumi, you've not learned anything, then you really need to examine yourself. I've learned so much from him. He has told us that we are not doing much for our people. He has taught us to defend our people in every circumstances. Though I won't defend evil, yes, I will not. But from what I've learned from Ahmed Gumi, I will keep on defending my people anywhere I am. I've been doing so before, but I'll do more, and I'm urging all Igbo leaders to do so. Let us find the reason why our youths are in the streets. We know, of course we do. So let's use that to defend them, to call for their pardon if there are people in the cells, and we know there are people in detention because they are just carrying flags, and people that are carrying AK-47 are being pardoned and being paid, taken into armed forces, where they even go and commit more killings. We should be learning very fast. We should be learning very fast. It's obvious this nation is not working, and Ahmed Gumi is telling us that, and he's teaching us politics. You are learning from me, Ahmed Gumi. Keep on doing what you are doing. It will assist us so much in this nation, in this country, to either come together or split. Whatever is the case, it's good for our people, the Dutch people. I believe in regional autonomy, but we cannot keep on begging for it. If it won't come, if it's not coming through political solution, we will be in the street and demand for our own country. Nothing will stop us from doing that. Ndi Igbo will never stop asking for self-determination. It is our right, and we will not stop asking for that. Now listen to another portion of Gumi's interview. Before we analyze it, you have to be patient with us and hear us.
IPOB is attacking the police, is attacking the army, is attacking INEC, government institutions, killing our men in service. And the herdsmen are kidnapping children, not to kill them, to get money. So how can you compare somebody who's killing our gallant men in the armed forces directly, attacking them, to somebody who's kidnapping children to make money, not to kill them? Look, we need...
Wow. Ahmed Gumi, that man is good. I give credit to him. He's good. He's teaching us politics. He's teaching the indigenous people of Nigeria politics. This video is about the good, the bad, and the ugly of Ahmed Gumi. Yes. Let me start with his good side. He is good because he defends his people. How I wish that Igbo leaders are defending our youths in the streets like this. We've seen the short clip from the video Ahmed appeared in the interview he granted to the press. This man defended the herdsmen and presented them as people who were deprived by the society, who were treated bad by the society. Why are our leaders in Igbo land not doing the same for our youths in the streets? Why are our leaders so quiet when our people are being killed, when our people are being marginalized? Instead of talking out, instead of speaking out, they will rather organize, call the press, and quickly proscribe an organization that is working for interest of Ndi Igbo. are peaceful organizations. Look at Ahmed Gumi calling herdsmen good people, because that's what he simply said, that they are the people being deprived by the society. They are not in school, they are treated badly, they are just kidnapping people for ransom, and they are not killing like IPOB. So IPOB is killing people. Well, the last time I checked, IPOB is a non-terror organization, non-terror group. It's not in the World Terrorist Index. And I know that herdsmen are the fourth most deadly terror people in the world. The Nigerian herdsmen, the group, is the fourth most terrible terror group in the world. Deadly terror group. They are terrorists. But Ahmed Gumi, a powerful politician, has presented them as good people, being treated bad by the society, being deprived by the society. How did the society deprive them? They chose herding or rearing of cattle as their profession. Were they sent out of school? No. Did they graduate and there was no work for them? No. But what about the millions of Igbo youths in the streets? No job for them. Those that have handwork, no money to start up the work they've learned. Who is speaking for us if not only Senator Engineer Baribe? You see? See the good side of Ahmed Gumi. He's teaching us politics. He's teaching the Igbo leaders. He is actually exposing our leaders, telling them that they're doing nothing. He's defending his tribe. I don't see anything like tribe. No, it's in Africa that we talk tribe, ethnicity. He's defending his nation. Igbo is a nation, Yoruba is a nation, Fulani is a nation, Hausa is a nation, Ijo is a nation. We come together to form a country. Unfortunately, this country is not working. Yes, it's not working. And our leaders are not talking. Ahmed Gumi is teaching us some good lessons. And we are learning politics from him. That's credit for him. But the bad side of him, the man is terrible. He's a very, very, very dangerous human being. Because he has painted IPOB as bad people, killing policemen, killing military men, burning here and there, destroying this and that. What has he talked about Boko Haram that has terrorized the whole north and some parts of Middle Belt? IPOB has denied that they are not destroying, burning and killing people. IPOB only has security outfit which is fighting to or which is defending our forests. The same Gumi wants federal government to give contracts to herders, to herdsmen, and to bandits to be in charge of our forest, to be in charge of security of our forest. Can you see this kind of man? The very, 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 very intelligent, but a bad guy. And the ugly side of it is that he has painted the herdsmen so good that there's nothing bad about them again. But in the process, he has revealed to us that the same herdsmen are bandits. Yes, he called for amnesty for bandits. And now he's talking about the herdsmen being victims of circumstances. So he's now defending both herdsmen and bandits. In other words, herdsmen are the bandits, which we know. And they may even be the Boko Haram. Yeah. Ahmed Gumi, thank you for this. Thank you so much for this. We've seen you are good, bad, and the ugly. It's left for leaders of other ethnic nationalities in Nigeria. Leaders of Igbos, leaders of Ijo people, leaders of Yoruba people, leaders of Hausa people, leaders of the Efik, Ibibio, and the other minority nations in Nigeria to wake up and defend your people. When they are being marginalized, speak out. When they are being treated bad, speak out. When they do something wrong, see if there was reason for them doing that. If there was reason for them, defend them. If you can call for their amnesty, call for amnesty. Call for their pardon, call for them to be compensated. Let us all defend our people, so that at the point we can agree whether this nation will move forward, or we will come, whether this country will move forward, or we will come to a round table and have a way forward. If there's no way forward, we just use knife and divide it like a cake. Until your tent, O Israel. Ahmed Gumi is a guru in what he's doing, and we are learning. I hope the elders and leaders of Indigo are learning fast from him. Thank you for viewing. My name is Obumneke Jimko Kafo. Bye for now.